An Olympus RAW image file captures unprocessed sensor data straight from your Olympus camera. Maximum detail and dynamic range preserved for post-processing flexibility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these RAW photograph files. We're tackling this ORF file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. ORF files are raw image files from Olympus digital cameras containing unprocessed sensor data with full dynamic range and color depth. They preserve maximum image information from the camera sensor for flexible, non-destructive post-processing and professional photo editing. Olympus ORF files use a TIFF-based format, storing 12-bit or 14-bit Bayer pattern sensor data with embedded JPEG previews and extensive EXIF metadata, including lens information, exposure settings, art filter parameters, and in-camera processing configurations. The most common market-leading program for ORF is Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows offers only a partial view of RAW content, so full workflow access needs RAW editors. For guaranteed results, right-click your ORF file and select Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop first if it's on your PC. If it's missing, try another application. Finding the perfect reader can take a few attempts. If the ORF file is still refusing to open, it's expected. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these 3 focused troubleshooting steps now. First, opening the file. Install Adobe Camera Raw or Lightroom for ORF support, or download the free Olympus Workspace software from Olympus's website. Open the ORF file to view and begin editing with full access to RAW development controls for exposure, white balance, and color adjustments. Next, editing in Lightroom. Import the ORF file into Adobe Lightroom Classic for non-destructive editing. Adjust exposure, white balance tone, curves, lens corrections, and apply creative presets. Lightroom preserves the original raw data while storing all edits as reversible metadata adjustments. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use Olympus Workspace or Adobe Lightroom to export ORF files as JPEG, TIFF, or PNG. Configure output resolution, color space, and compression quality for your intended use. TIFF provides maximum quality for print, while JPEG offers efficient files for web and social media sharing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.